Hello guys, this is the new show. For free versus for money. For free means when we transform nails of hard workers. We never take the money for our work, but we create the craziest nail designs. And now at first we do nails for free. And that famous hard worker woman exclusively is giving the interview for us. Let's listen to her shocking story. Hello friends, I want to tell you the story of miraculous arrival of my third daughter. I say arrival because it was the miracle. Because according all my disease, she would never be born, as every doctor said. And as the beginner, as it usually happens, I couldn't wait the first day of my period, and I decided to visit the doctor as an intelligent mother. And the doctor just said, "Don't worry, madam, it's just hormonal imbalance." And the doctor started to treat me as the regular patient. And I said, okay, I just started the therapy, but my period was never started in spite of the therapy. But something has happened. My youngest daughter has decided to give me rotaviruses. And after illness, I just finally decided to do a pregnancy test. Because I constantly throwed up. It can't be because of rotaviruses. So I finally decided to take the test. So I made a test and I realized that I'm pregnant. So I came to the doctor again with this news. But the doctor was really shocked. The doctor said, "It can't be. And I'm not going to treat your pregnancy. Because I don't want problems. You should go to the perinatal center." So guys, I think that day the God was on the side of my daughter, and he decided that I could make an appointment to the perinatal center only on the 18th week. And when I came to the perinatal center, it's realized that it's too late to decide anything, and it's only needed to treat the pregnancy. And as a result, my pregnancy was very hard, because I had a lot of bad disease that influenced on the pregnancy. And on the 28th week, I was advised by the doctor to be hospitalized for shots, which helped the child to open her lungs. This is the surfactant which helps to save the life to a child when she breathes for the first time. This shot is to save the life in case of premature birth. And it seems that doctors felt that it could happen, because it has happened. Because on the 28th week, the pregnancy became very heavy for me. I suffered from hypertension, and because of hypertensive crisis, the child was stopped provided with nutrients and the oxygen. She stopped to develop. And doctors were forced to do something. I was C-sectioned immediately. And on the 28th week, I saw the small ball, and I called that small ball Victoria, because she was the fighter. She was born only 190 grams and 37 centimeters. I bow down to doctors who helped her to stay alive and continue developing. She's crying. Less than 3 months, I was in perinatal center with my strong daughter. I couldn't breastfeed because of my hypertension. My stitches were festering. That's why I just came, speak with the doctors and went out my hospital room. On the beginning of the December, we were signed out from the perinatal center, and now we have small Victoria Pavlovna, who wants now the mother only take care of her. So guys, this was the story of hard worker woman who gave birth to the child. It was the miracle, and we made this set for her for free. And now let's take a look on the set of nails that we were made for hundreds of dollars for the regular client. This woman is very rich. She has her personal online casino. So she never worries about how soon she could spend on her beauty, on her makeup or nails. And she always prefers symbols of money, symbols of that things which brings her the money and the power. The main thing is in this video, I just wanted to ask you, what's better for you? To give yourself to children, to risk your life, to give a birth, or your prerogative is living only for yourself? It's called the term hedonism. I remember those songs in 19th and those ideas that person should live only for himself or herself. And everything he or she does is only for having pleasure, having fun, and we should spend money only for ourselves. Because life is not so long. It seems like the first our woman, hard worker woman, she thinks differently. So tell me, what's your position? What do you think about it? Should we risk our life? Should we give birth to many children, to devote our life to someone, or to live only to having rest, showing how we dancing on TikTok and showing our face on Instagram, or lying on the beach of Bali. Tell me your thoughts about it down in the comments, and please choose the set of nails you like more. The winner will have the next set of nails for free. But I think that it will never bring happiness to that rich woman with a joker on her nails. We love you guys. See you very soon.